Thailand's land borders are closed as it tries to slow the spread of COVID-19. This comes after the capital and other provinces said malls and other public venues will be closed. Thailand reported 122 new cases today, bringing the total to 721. Saksisa Sambat with more from Bangkok.
Thailand is closing its 17 borders in an effort to contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic, causing somewhat of a mass exodus over the weekend. As many as 80,000 people have left Bangkok, according to the state-owned bus company, many of them working-class Thais going back to their home provinces, but also a lot of migrant workers from neighboring Laos, Myanmar and Cambodia. The Ministry of Interior has ordered all these borders to be closed on March 23rd, that's Monday, but it hasn't specified at what exact time and has also left it up to the provincial governors to decide how long these borders will remain closed. The transport of goods between countries should remain in effect though. So with that, we see a very different picture at each of the boarding crossings. For example, at the Mukdahan Sawanakhet border to Laos in the northeast, that one will remain open until Monday 10 p.m. But then at a border crossing to Myanmar in Mae Sai, that one is already closed and about 300 people on the Thai side have been waiting there since the early morning. But according to local reports, those that want to return to their home countries should be allowed to do so. This comes after Bangkok and many other places in the country have announced further measures to contain the spread of the coronavirus, including the additional closure of, for example, shopping malls and spas, on top of schools, universities, gyms and bars that have already been closed since Wednesday. And that leaves a lot of people, especially those in the informal sector or those living from paycheck to paycheck, currently without a job and very little incentive to stay in Bangkok. Hence the exodus that we have seen over the weekend of people going back to their home provinces or their home countries. And that is going against the advice of the Ministry of Public Health of people leaving Bangkok in fear that the virus could spread further across the country. Saksisa Sambat, CNA Bangkok.